What's going on, guys? Sports City Damien with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys the car that I've been driving, my daily driver that I've been driving to work. And if you didn't see last video, please make sure to go check it out. But this video will be like a brief understanding of what car I'm driving now and the things I did or the things I have to put on today. So here's my 01 GS300. Couple paint fading, but it's okay. What matters is that how good it drives. I took this car to Napa, about an hour away. Made it back, no issues. And right now it has like mismatched wheels. I believe this is a size 16. This one is the actual stock Lexus GS. This is a 17. We go around back. This one's a aftermarket wheel, but this one's a 18. And go to the front, and here's that same stock GS wheel. This is a 17. So I have a 17, 18 in the back. The other side is a 17 and the other side is a 16. So that's what we're gonna do for today's video. Or if you guys want to see the inside, it's nothing special. GS3 interior, barely any rips, just the center console right here. Leather seats, gray. So here are the new wheels for the GS. I believe these are MB Battles, but I don't know if they're the replica or not. It doesn't matter to me. The tread is pretty good. And these are MSTs. They're like RPF1 replicas too. But damn, these tires, they're like Toyo proxies. So today's video, we're gonna try to be getting these brake dust, all this dirt off. Try to get it super white as possible. And I got from AutoZone, I picked up some Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. It says should remove the brake dust. So we're gonna be testing this out today. Got some tire shine. More tire shine. And some McGuire's wash and wax. Because we're gonna, we might as well wash the car today. So yep, let's get ready. So I'm pretty sure all you have to do is just spray it, let it sit, let it do its thing, and then wash it down with the pressure washer. Smells good though. Put the camera down and start spraying this. These are how the wheels came out with just wiping it down without rinsing. Pretty good. Only thing is just this one. I think this black paint thingy, I think it's from the paint under. I think these were black originally and somebody painted white, and now it's starting to come off. Looks like freaking Oreos. But probably just respray this whole wheel, maybe all 4 wheels in another video, but looks better than before. So let's rinse it down with the pressure one. So I did the best I can. There's nothing I can really do about that one wheel that shows like black spots besides repaint it. But in this video I'm gonna be mounting him on the car to see how it looks. And after I do that, I might as well just wash the car and re-hit up the wheels to make it as white as possible. So these are the lug nuts I picked up from AutoZone. They're 12mm by 1.5, and they came with the lock, spline lock. I'm pretty sure these lug nuts are the exact same as these, but I wanted to get new ones because this one that came with the car are like fatter, and I'm pretty sure they won't fit in those deep wheels. And these ones have the spine on it, so I wanted to put all around. So jack up the car and see how it looks. So here's the update video. It's the first time ever seeing a GS300 in a monster truck form. Most definitely gonna need some coilovers. It's a big ass gap. Not gonna lie though, they do look good. Holy shit. Look at that, put my whole arm in there. Yep, definitely gonna get some coilovers, but holy shit, look at that freaking. So here's how the GS is sitting with the wheels on it. Looks good. Definitely need to drop it some. So I ordered the coils already. Should be here soon. So now, just wash the car. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. My camera died, so I don't know what footage I have and I don't have, so I'm gonna check that out. So if the video like in different quality, I'm recording from my iPhone, but here's how the car looks after the wash. Came out pretty clean. Only thing that bothers me is the other side. It has that paint I was talking about. See, looks like cookies and cream Oreo, but I'll probably just have to sand it down, primer it, respray it white. Other than that, the car looks good. Especially, I like these wheels a lot. But yeah, definitely gonna have to get some coilovers so I could clear the gap, clear the back gap. Because right now it looks like straight up Lexus monster truck. Yep, that's how it sits for now. Pretty sure it'll look better once I get the coilovers. I was thinking about going Lowering Springs, but I had bad experiences with Lowering Springs, and I don't want to go that route again. But yep, once I get the coilovers, I'll be good. Clear the gap, it'll sit better. Maybe get some camber, get alignment, and figure out what I'm gonna do with the wheels. Probably just get it resprayed. Once I do that, get it ceramic coated so I don't have to worry about the maintenance on white wheels, because it does look good, but they get dirty fast and you have to keep cleaning it. Anyways, ooh, look at that shot. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't seen my other video when we drove to Napa, please go check it out. With that being said, have a good day. Peace out. Sports City Damien signing out.